Hello! I will show you how to make a dollhouse kitchen. The entire project requires no sewing skills. Thanks to the ready-made patterns, the kitchen is very simple and pleasant to make. Let's start it! We will need felts in 8 colors, felt glue, hot glue, satin ribbon, scissors, vanishing markers, line, and needle or hole punch. Prepare patterns with the title Base Page Part 1 and 2 and cut them out. Place this pattern on creamy felt, outline with vanishing marker, and cut it out. Place this paper pattern on base page and outline the inner shape, and save it for later. Prepare patterns of the titles Kitchen Part 1 and 2 and cut them out. Place them on right felts, outline with vanishing marker, and cut them out. Apply glue on the back side of this pattern and place it in this place so that the upper edge is the contact with the drawn line. Take a 10 cm white ribbon, cut off about 10 cm, apply hot glue and attach it. Measure 4 mm and here connect the dots. Take this pattern, place it under the ribbon in this place so that the drawn line touches the edge of the pattern. Apply hot glue and attach it. Apply hot glue in the corners and place this pattern on the top. Now take blue elements, apply glue, and attach them in these places. Take dark pink handles, apply glue in these places, and attach them here. Place the fridge on the base page at this point so that its bottom edge meets the drawn line. Apply hot glue and attach it. Prepare patterns with the title Kitchen Part 3 and cut them out. Put them on right felts, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. You can also cut yellow circles with hole punch. Choose the biggest size. Take 4 cm white ribbon, cut off about 7 cm, apply hot glue and attach it here. Take ruler and vanishing marker, measure 4 mm here and here, connect the dots just like before. And make this whole element again. Place ribbon under this element in this place so that its edge meets the drawn line. Apply glue and attach it. And attach the second element here in the same way. Take pink elements, apply glue and attach them on the top. Press here and here. Apply glue on the blue element and place it in the center of this pattern. Apply glue here and attach a handle. Make holes in the places of dots. I use hole punch, but you can also use simple needle. Place paper pattern on this element, outline the inner shape, and make dots in the places of holes. Place this pattern on left side of mirror, outline, and cut it out. Apply glue and attach it in the marked place. Apply glue in the places of dots and attach yellow circles. Place the copper with oven on the base page at this point so that its bottom edge meets the drawn line. Apply hot glue at the bottom and attach it. I forgot about handle. Apply glue on it and attach it here. Open doors. Apply glue in this place and attach this element. Make a heating plate by gluing these elements together just like me. Apply hot glue in this place and attach it. Apply glue on top and attach it in this place. Apply glue on the bottom of wash basin and attach it here. Apply glue in this place and attach this element. Prepare patterns of the title Kitchen Part 4 and cut them out. Put them on right felts, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. The wall cupboard consists of these two doors. We will do it the same as last time. Place a wall cover on the base page over the copper with oven. Apply hot glue and attach it. Apply hot glue on the shelf and attach it over the fridge. And the dollhouse kitchen for doll is ready. If you would like the kitchen to become one of the pages of the dollhouse quiet book, then take this paper pattern again and make holes in the places of dots. Now place this pattern on base page. Draw dots in the places of dots with vanishing marker. And in the places of dots, make holes. In this case, it's worth investing in a hole punch to make nice holes. Choose the largest size. If you would like to make kitchen accessories and food, click on this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye!